Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Back to my channel. I know I'm in a very unusual location. I'm literally out in the woods. We've come camping and I've never done camping before. Camping is actually a very big recreation in the US, and I've been in the US for almost 2 years, and I've never been camping. Surprising, isn't it? So yeah, this is again one of my first time experiences, and I thought I should vlog it, so I'll be vlogging today. I'm super excited.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
That's going to be our lunch for today. Who's excited for eating noodles?
The first meal of the day.
Exactly, I'm starving.
Hey, appreciate my bread and cream cheese.
We can go.
Rohit bhai got it, and it's like
Bhaiya has to come there.
our savior.
So I have my friend Adnan with me. Adnan, say hey. So where are we going?
So we're going to a beach in the middle of the mountains.
Wow, isn't that crazy?
In case you can't decide which one you love, you got both here.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yeah, so we're camping and then we're going to the beach.
We're beaching. Wow, sounds fun.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Too much performance pressure.
I know, when the camera is on, everything goes wrong. This is the tiniest setting of a beach I've ever seen in my life. This is an artificial beach, by the way.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we drove 30 minutes from our camping location, and there is this beautiful waterfall behind me called Looking Glass, and it's called Looking Glass apparently because the water is as crystal clear as the glass. So I hope you can see the waterfall behind. I don't think you can. We're gonna go down there and I'm gonna show you just in a bit. Excited!
Oh, in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
If there's something that I hate, now hate is a big term and I don't really use it, but I genuinely hate this thing, and they are reptiles. Cannot stand any sort of reptiles. And while I was making my way out from the water body, I saw a huge salamander. If you all do not know what salamander is, I will insert a picture. A huge salamander right in front of my feet, and you should see my face. I screamed at the top of my voice. It was maddening. Oh my god, something that close to my feet definitely gave me the creeps. Whoa. I'm actually walking back to our car, and we will go back to our camping spot and further continue camping.
Oh, in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Rohit.
Yes.
How's it?
It's good.
Guys, a word of wisdom. Never eat s'mores with your bare hand. This is what happens when you try to clean it with a napkin.